This was on here from the previous owner, not from me. It's like a wedge type of thing, and if you look here, you see that's all the paint from there. I'm gonna Home Depot real quick here, and I'm gonna see if I can color match this one. She went ahead and she scanned the color, and now she's gonna try to match it. They only make this in a matte finish. All right, there we go. So this is the color in the sun, and that's the match. So it's gonna be matte. It has to dry up a little bit more. Pretty close. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect. It's not gonna be identical, but it's really, really close. Let's go ahead and let this first coat settle and then hit it with another coat. All right, there you go. So not bad. It's all painted. Use the Q-tip, you dab first, and then you smooth out softly just to kind of blend it in. And you know, under super duper scrutiny, you may be able to tell what's going on there. But to be honest with you, this looks, from where it was to where it's at, looks perfect to me. All right, so for 60 bucks, these WeatherTech mats, this is not that bad actually, and they're custom tailored for the car. So let's go ahead and get these in. All right, so those are the mats. Look phenomenal. Penny. And yeah, I like it. A little touch up from earlier. Can't even tell that it's there. So making some progress here. Let's keep going. Trying to get it ready for Saturday.